tried. And it's not even fair. You pay the price for other people's sin, and they never ask you plain. If you can live with your level of pain, time and time again, all you need is opium rain. Sometimes you ache so deep that you can't sleep.